Hello everyone, in this video, we'll be helping you uncover fast fixes for Windows 11 privacy issues. Now, Windows 11, like any modern operating system, gathers information to provide user experience. However, you can adjust privacy settings to control what information is shared. So here's a breakdown of fast fixes for common Windows 11 privacy concerns. If you have any fast fixes for your privacy issues, do let us know in the comment section below. So let's begin. The first is diagnostic data. So Windows collects diagnostic data to identify and fix problems. You can limit this if you're not comfortable with it. In order to do this, you can go over to Settings by clicking on the Windows button right there on the bottom right, search for Settings, or you can find it right here, click on it, and then you can go over to Privacy and Security, then look for Diagnostic and Feedback. You have it right here, click on it, and here you have Send Optional Diagnostic Data. For me, you can see it's turned off, and if it's turned on for you, you can turn it off, as this is not necessarily important, and it's a way to help and curb the privacy issues. The next is Activity History. Windows tracks your activity to provide personalized experiences. You can clear and disable this while you're still here in Settings, under Privacy and Security, and then you're going to look for Activity History. Click on it, and then here you have Store My Activity History on this device. It's turned on for me, and this is the final time it will be turned on for the sake of this tutorial, and it's currently turned off. And then next, you can clear the history for this account by clicking on Clear History and proceed to clear it up. And the next is Location Services. You can access your location services by coming over to Settings, still under Privacy and Security, and then you're going to look for location. Under App Permissions, you have location here, click on it, and then you have your location services turned on. Now, this is important, of course, if you're trying to have some personalized experiences depending on some apps. However, you're going to look for the apps that you know you're not using and you don't need to have them searching or following your location. In order to do this, we're going to toggle it on, and then you can see we don't want Arc to find our location, neither is Microsoft Teams or any other option you might want to choose. Go ahead and do this, and it will help you with your privacy concerns. And the next is Advertising ID. Now, Windows uses an advertising ID to show personalized ads. You can disable this while you're here in Settings, click on Privacy and Security, go to General. Then if you have Let Apps Show Me Personalized Ads by using my advertising ID, you can toggle this off if it's turned on. And then lastly, while you're here in Settings and Privacy, you can click on it again. You're going to scroll over to where you have Camera. Now here are a list of apps that have access to your camera. And of course, it might be important. For example, you have Camera, and the Camera app definitely has access to our camera. But you can go ahead and look through the different apps and see which you don't need to have access to your camera. Click on Privacy and Security again at the top here, scroll down to where you have a microphone, and do the same for the different apps that are available. Toggle them off if you know you're not using it. However, do exercise some caution, as you might turn off some apps that you might be using and wondering why you don't have a microphone access anymore. So you don't blame us for this problem. You need to be conscious about what you're toggling on and toggling off. So go ahead and make a conscious decision, and this will improve your Windows 11 privacy concerns. So which privacy concerns have you had, and which did you find in this video to help you out? Do let us know in the comment section below, and if you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.